Thinkinspire IT. Today we have total 4 DevOps openings. Let's see one by one. Before that, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for latest job updates and click bell icon for instant notifications.
First hiring is from CGI. CGI is hiring AWS DevOps engineer CI/CD pipeline with 2 years of experience. Eligibility: education qualification: a bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science, or similar discipline accepted. Experience required: 2 to 5 years of AWS focused DevOps engineer experience required. Roles and responsibilities: practical knowledge of AWS services like Lambda, RDS, S3, EC2, and so forth. Proficiency with programming languages such as Shell, Bash, or Python. Proficiency in Docker containerization and Kubernetes orchestration is advantageous. Solid knowledge of CI/CD principles and familiarity with associated tools required. Familiarity with infrastructure as code techniques like AWS CloudFormation and Terraform. Familiarity with various monitoring tools such as Grafana. Outstanding problem solving and troubleshooting abilities required. Strong team and communication abilities as well as the capacity to function within a group setting. Location: Bangalore. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Second hiring is from Anko. Anko is hiring DevOps engineer with 1 year of experience. Eligibility: education qualification, any graduate. Roles and responsibilities: basic familiarity with cloud computing like AWS, Azure, etc. Joining a highly accomplished engineering team that is creating a next generation products for the Anko team. While having experience with a range of technologies is beneficial, the capacity to effectively investigate, choose, and acquire new patterns and technologies is more crucial. Strong familiarity with AWS is required. Strong familiarity with containerization like Docker. Practical knowledge of Python is must should required. Good familiarity with Jenkins, AWS, CDK, and CloudFormation. Individual contributor role: creating and enhancing the pipelines for CI/CD, optimizing the Amazon stack to balance cost and performance. Share result with the internal teams for facilitating business. Meticulous and a good team leader and has excellent people skills. DevOps and AWS proficiency is required. Creation of clouds. Curiosity combined with the dedication to deadlines. Proficient in both writing and spoken English. Location: India. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Third hiring is from Sutherland. Sutherland is hiring DevOps engineer with 1 year of experience. Eligibility: outstanding writing and verbal communication abilities combined with a strong sense of client service. Outstanding troubleshooting and problem solving abilities. Process focused and highly proficient in documentation. Understanding of IT operation and best practices in an always available, always up service. Knowledge or experience with agile software development techniques required. DevOps engineer job responsibilities. Recognize project KPIs and client needs. Putting in place different IT infrastructure, testing, automation, and development tools. Organize the composition, duties, and participation of the teams in the project management tasks. Taking care of external interfaces and stakeholders. Assembling the necessary infrastructure and tools. Establishing and defining the DevOps operations development, test, release, update, and support process. Possess the technical expertise necessary to examine, confirm, and access the software code creating for the projects. Methods for debugging and resolving code errors. Keeping an eye on the process over the whole life cycle to ensure compliance, as well as updating or developing new ones to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. Whenever possible, promoting and developing automated processes. Finding and implementing cybersecurity solutions through ongoing risk assessment and vulnerability evaluation. Root cause analysis and incidents management. Coordination and dialogue between team members and clients. Choosing and implementing the right CI/CD tools. Build a pipeline for continuous integration, continuous development, and constant deployment CI/CD pipelines and strive of continuous improvement. Mentoring and directing the members of the team. Tracking and evaluating KPIs and customer experience. Overseeing the regular reporting of the status to the client and management. Location: Hyderabad. Interested candidates can apply from link in description. Fourth and last hiring is from Bizongo. Bizongo is hiring DevOps engineer with 1 year of experience. Eligibility 1 to 5 years of appropriate job experience, familiarity with OS, networking, and kernel concepts. Python, Shell, and Go scripting experience in DevOps is required. Troubleshooting, managing, and deploying containerized setups with Docker, containerized, and Kubernetes are also prerequirements. Familiarity with both public and private cloud technologies, including DIY clouds, AWS, GCP, Azure, OpenShift, among others. Familiarity with microservice based architectures and distributed systems. Proficiency with the Helm, Terraform, and IAC as services required. Knowledge of constructing CI/CD pipelines using tools like Argo, GitHub, Jenkins, and among others. Knowledge of K8, Envoy, API gateways, and service mesh in practice required. Knowledge of observability procedures and tool chains, knowledgeable about DevSecOps and cloud security practices above all, to be efficient engineer and a lifelong learner. Your main responsibility in the position will be to advise and assist with the technical issue to the cloud architecture and infrastructure, continuous integration and deployment CI/CD tooling, application management and observability. As a member of developer platform team, your primary responsibility will be to find solutions for the complex issues penetrating to scalability, sustainability, and development environment frameworks so that Bizongo engineers can deliver products at a high velocity and scale without sacrificing coding standards or equality. The team is talking with the understanding the problems encountered in the software development, offering solutions, establishing best practices of the organization and development of code, and making use the development environments remain stable and efficient even as we expand the features and functionalities of our product line. Using Docker, Kubernetes, Argo CD, Jenkins, IAC, Kafka, Redis, RabbitMQ, Elasticsearch, GitHub, MySQL, SageMakers, Service Mesh, and Loki, as well as building platforms tools with Python, Go, and other scripting languages, the candidate will work with the state of the art technology. Along with the achieving and maintaining very low latency and high volume importance, translating programs based on the microservices platforms, the job delivers performance, scalability, and up and time. Location Bangalore. Interested candidates can apply from link in description.
That's it for today, guys. For latest DevOps job update, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And please do follow and join our Telegram channel from link in description. Until then, see you.